Yesterday I literally told you guys clearly that gold will sell for the day. Gold will give us a bearish move for the day. You can see that what I predicted, market did exactly what I predicted. So you can see that my analysis is absolutely correct, right? So I can boldly and clearly tell you guys that over 90% of our prediction on this channel is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet a subscriber to this channel, if you have not yet subscribed, you are missing out a lot. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe if you've not done that yet. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. Now this is our movement right here, guys. So you can see that gold is literally dropping from this level right here, right? This is the minor trend. I told you guys previously that the overall trend on gold is an uptrend move, right? The overall trend on gold is an uptrend move. But when you zoom it in, you will see the current trend. And what is the current trend? The current trend is on a downside, right? It is literally trending to the downside. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So this is it right here. This is our low, and this is the lower high, right? Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Here comes the lower high, right? Right? It formed the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. This is the lower high, right? Market then eventually drop again to form a new lower low. Now this is a lower high. Market is currently playing a lower high. Once market plays a lower high finish, guess what market will do next, guys? Market will eventually drop to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you should be looking for a sell. A bearish move for the day is what you should be expecting. Now the question is, could there be changes to this prediction? There's a possibility there will be changes. If there's going to be changes, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.